It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I think I have the best followers. Today is, by the way, February 27th, 2025, and the information just keeps on coming, but this time it's coming directly from Ripple. Ripple.com. I have got some information from you. You know how we were talking about the Nostro Vostro accounts? You remember that? Yeah, that 36.5K per token. I made a terrible mistake. Okay, are you ready? So, Ripple, they've already done this. In South Korea, they have a partnership. This is BDACS. BDACS. And do you know what these darlings, these geniuses have decided to do? They have institutional custody set up. Yeah, they're going to have like institutional custody where financial institutions can buy XRP, buy RLUSD, and they're going to store it. In fact, they expect that it's going to be up to